Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. It is such a gorgeous day outside. I had to shoot this thing outside. I sure hope you can hear me over the birds and the airplanes. And I don't have one of those fancy microphones. I'll have to call someone up and see if I can get one of those. Anyway, I put on this shirt I came across in my closet. It is a vintage 2021 Jetbuilt Summit shirt from when we were in Florida. We've taken Summit on a tour. We've been in DFW, Florida, Washington, D.C., Boston, Chicago, Nashville last year, and we are going to be in Denver, Colorado this October 1st and 2nd. Join us for an amazing 2 days of talking everything Jetbuilt, networking with like-minded audiovisual integrators like yourself, bringing your big questions, suggestions, ideas, and we just go over everything that can and should be done in Jetbuilt. And so join us for that. It's going to be a great time in Denver. All the information is here on the website. It's time to get signed up. We're telling you early enough so you don't have to say, well, I was going to go to dinner with my daughter that day and I'm busy. So also, to keep this quick, the launch list. Continue to check the launch list. We are checking things off. Some really fun things we launched, I believe, last week. Really cool things in the next couple weeks, including time tracking on desktop. Right now, you can do time tracking for install users in the field with phones. Installers can. However, now you'll be able to do time tracking on the desktop for engineering work, proposal work, so that all that time can be brought in to your ecosystem. And other great things that we're building. There's going to be a brand new dashboard, fully modular. You can swap in and out blocks on the dashboard to see just the type of data you like to see, and then stretch some of them tall and wide and everything else. So good stuff coming up. Also a really, really big thing, but I shouldn't talk about that one yet. It involves JetBot and helping you design your projects even faster. Keep an eye out for that. Look for us at Peerless in London in May. Look for us at Infocom, of course, in Vegas. It's going to be a great show, as well as other regional events between now and then. I think I've wasted enough of your time. You can get back to work on Jetbuilt and register for Summit. Talk to you soon. This is Paul Dexter signing off.